Oh yeah. I've seen 20 of it.
Girl, I love young. Dancing around like that won't drive me crazy. But why would I want you when it's plain you're not ever wanting me? Well, my whole life all I have was to say you talk. Never gonna be lonely when all I have is music in my heart. Never gonna be something I'm not. Say you're older, I'ma be happy with what I got, 'cause I got music and it makes me feel alright. Got this here music and it helps me ease my mind up, 'cause I got music and it takes away the pain. Got this here music and I got it every day. Come on.
Let's leave it there.
Cool. Good. Yeah, cool beans. Alan, what's your role on this shoot today?
Can I answer that?
Eating ice cream.
Chief ice cream eater?
And lots of it.
You've got nothing to do with that contraption behind you? Seems to be facing the wrong way. No, not that contraption. And MH, what do you do?
I play with food.
and make it look beautiful.
And eat it too.
There we go.
No.
You haven't?
Cookie Monster, what?
Unless Sesame Street.
No, what does it do?
This could be good.
We do some work.
And that is the very lovely and esteemed Alan Benson working hard.
It's gotta go nowhere, okay?
Music and I got it every day. No temperamental alibis, and I'm not wasting